Hey guys, thanks for checking into another episode of Jack's Mechanics. Just going to change this cabin filter on this Skoda Octavia 2011 model TSI. This is similar for other Volkswagens, Skodas, Audis. Turn the camera around and pop you guys on the floor. So under the passenger seat, underneath the glove box, you have this little trim screw. Take that one off, and the other one. Pull this foam cover down. And remove that, and then right there, that cover is covering up the cabin filter, so it should just be a slide across. Pop that down, pull the filter. Wow, this one's dirty. Wow. So that one's definitely seen better days. So I'll try and get all those leaves out and get you back in 1 second. So obviously quite a lot of debris in there. Cleaned it out as much as we can, and then we just slide the new filter up into place. Okay, so, and then here we have these little hooks, and they hook into those slots. So put it up, put it mounted in, and slide across. Easy as that. Well, hope you guys enjoy. If you would like to see more of this style content or how-tos, and later on we'll get into some diagnostics, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much.